morning everyone. Welcome back. Let's continue area and perimeter of circle. In previous video I had done sums till question number 14. I'll be doing 15 onwards. So you need to do similar sums because the sums are a bit confusing and it is figure based. Question number 16. Question says that a copper wire, you have a copper wire. This copper wire is bent into form of an equilateral triangle of area of equilateral triangle is given 121√3. Question says that if the same wire is bent into the form of circle, calculate area of the circle. An area of circle is calculated with the help of radius, which is unknown, it is missing. So you need to use area of equilateral triangle to calculate radius, and that radius will be used to calculate area of the circle. Look at the calculation part. Area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle is given, which is equals to 121√3 centimeters squared. On the left hand side, you need to write down the formula. √3 divides by 4. A squared is equal to 121√3. Cross multiply, make a squared the subject of formula. A squared is 121√3 into 4 divides by √3. √3 cancels. A squared equals to 121 into 4. A equals to √121 into 4. Square root of 121 is 11. 4 is 2, so you get 22 centimeter. You know the side. And once you know the side, you can calculate perimeter of triangle. And that perimeter of triangle will be equal to the circumference of circle. Perimeter of wire or triangle equal to circumference of circle. So perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3a and circumference of circle is 2 pi r, because same wire is bent into the form of triangle and same wire is bent into the form of circle. So the perimeter has to be equal. 322 to 22 by 7 radius. Make r the subject of formula. 322, 7 divides by 2, 22. 22 cancels. 7 into 3 is 21 divides by 2 centimeter is the radius of the circle. And once you know the radius, you can calculate area. Area of circle is equal to pi r squared. 22 by 7 radius is 21 by 2. 21 by 2. Simplify it. 7 3 times 21, 2 11 times. It won't cancel. Multiply it. 33, 21. 396. 693 divides by 2, which is equals to 346.5 centimeters squared. Copper wire bent into the form of triangle. Same copper wire is bent into the form of circle. You need to calculate area of the circle. So first calculate side. With the help of side, you get perimeter. Perimeter of triangle will be equal to perimeter of circle. then put the value, calculate radius, use radius to calculate area. You have similar question number 15, where you have a copper wire, it is bent into the form of square, area of square is given, you calculate the side. Once you know the side, use perimeter of square equals to circumference of circle, calculate radius, use radius to get the area. Now look at this question number 17b, figure based question. You have a rectangle, there are two circles inside. And you have a semicircle. Question says that calculate the area of unshaded portion. Two circles and semicircle has been shaded. Radius of the circle is given 3 centimeters. You have to calculate the area of unshaded portion. So you need to separate the diagram and write down their dimensions. Rectangle, length, look at the calculation of length. Since radius is 3 out here, so this side will also be 3. Same circle, so radius is 3, other side radius will be 3, radius is 3. So length of the rectangle is addition of 2 diameters and 1 radius, which is equals to 15 centimeter. 3 plus 3 is 6, 12, 15. Now you have to calculate the breadth of rectangular part. This is the breadth, and since it's at a radius of 3, so it will be 3, 3. 3 plus 3 is 6 centimeter. Look at the calculation now. Area of rectangle. Length multiplied by breadth. Length is 15, breadth is 6. 90 centimeter square. And once you know the area of rectangle, you calculate area of shaded region. Look at the figure, 2 circles and 1 semicircle has been shaded. Pi r square is for first circle plus pi r square is for second circle. Pi r square by 2 is for semicircle. And since they have same radius, so you can simplify this. You can take LCM 2, you get 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r square plus pi r square. Add it up, you get 5 pi r square divided by 2. This is the formula to calculate area of the shaded region. And once you know the area of shaded region, subtract to calculate unshaded part. Substitute the value here. 5 pi is given 3.14, radius is 3 into 3. Square means you multiply 2 times, divides by 2. Now do the calculation. 9 into 5 is 45. 314 multiplied by 45. Multiply this. You have to do calculation yourself. 5 into 4 is 22, 7, 15, 4, 16, 5, 12. Add it up, 0. 7 plus 6 is 13, 10, 11, 3, 4, 1. 1, 4, 1, 3, 0 divides by 2. You have 2 places of decimal, 2 places of decimal, cancel it now. 2 7 times 14, 2 5 times 10, decimal, 2 6 times 12, 2 5 times 10, centimeter square. Now you calculate area of shaded, unshaded region. Area of unshaded region equal to Rectangle's part is unshaded, so area of rectangle minus area of shaded region. When you subtract this shaded region, this portion will be left. 90 minus 75.65. So do the subtraction. 90.3, 90.00, 75.65, 5, 3, 9, 5, 1. It is 15.35 centimeters squared. Something is wrong with calculation. Something went wrong somewhere. I think calculation value of pi is how much? 3.14. Okay, I'll do it again. Question number 17. Figure-based question. You have a rectangle. There are two circles and one semicircle which has been shaded. Radius of circular portion is 3 centimeter. So what do? We have circle, semicircle and a rectangle. Dimensions of rectangle are not known. We can find using these radius 3 centimeter. Same circles will be 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter. So length, rectangle, length is equals to 15 centimeter. Add it up. 6, 12, 15. Breadth equal to, breadth is the diameter, 6 centimeter. Find its area. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. 15 into 6, 90 centimeters squared. After finding area of entire rectangle, you calculate area of shaded region. Circle has been shaded, pi r squared. Second circle is shaded, pi r squared. Semicircle is shaded, pi r squared by 2. Simplify this. Take LCM 2. 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r squared plus pi r squared. Add it up. You get 5 pi r squared divided by 2. And once you write this, then you have to substitute the value. Area of shaded region. It is 5 into 3.14 into 3 into 3 divides by 2. Radius is given, which is equals to 3. So since formula has squared, so we multiply 2 times. 3 multiplies 3 is 9. 9 into 5 is 45. 3.14 multiplies 45. Multiply this. 5 into 4 is 22. 7. 5 into 3 is 15. 4 into 4 is 16. 5. 4 into 3 is 12. 0, 7 plus 6 is 13. 10, 11. 3, 4, 1. It is 1, 4, 1, 3, 0 divides by 2. 2 places decimal, so you put decimal here. Now you cancel it by 2. Divide here only. 2, 7 times 14. 1 comes, 1 is not divisible. You put 0. Then 3 comes, decimal. 6 times 12, 1 0. 5 times 10. So it is equal to 70.65. 2 7 times 14, 1 is not divisible, 0. 2 6 times 12 centimeter squared. Now area of unshaded region. Some part of rectangles are unshaded, so area of rectangle minus area of shaded region. Area of rectangle is 90 minus 70.65. Subtract 90.00, 70.65, you get 5391. 19.35 centimeters squared. This is the area of the shaded, unshaded region. Question number 19E. Again, for some is based on figure. You need to look at the figure carefully and then calculate. You have a square, 2 semicircles, has been unshaded. Question says that calculate the area of shaded region and perimeter ABCD. Look at this question. Side of the square is given 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter, 14, 14. When you solve sum based on figure, separate square, semicircle. Write down their dimensions, it will be easier. Side of the square is 14 centimeter. If you look at the semicircle, this entire value is diameter. Diameter is equal to 14. Get the radius, 14 divided by 2, 7 centimeter. Half of diameter is radius. Calculate area of square. Area of square equals to A square, side square, 14 square, 196 centimeter square. Now area of 2 semicircles. Area of 2 semicircles equals to 2 multiplied by pi r square divided by 2. Pi r square is the area of semicircle. There are 2, so you multiply by 2. Cancel it. Pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 7 into 7. Cancel it, you get 154. Now area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equals to area of square minus area of 2 semicircles. Because some portion of square is shaded, area of shaded region. Area of square is 196 minus area of 2 semicircles is 154, which is equals to 42 centimeters square. Simple question. It is based on figure, so you have to analyze the figure correctly. Question number 19C. Again, figure based rectangle. Then you have quadrants, quarter part of circle, and you have semicircle. Look at this one. It looks complicated, but it is not. If you analyze the figure, and separate it, you can easily solve. Now you need to remember one thing. First you have rectangle, then you have semicircle and quadrant. Write their dimension. Diameter of the semicircle is equal to 14. This portion is given 14 centimeter. So since diameter of semicircle is given, diameter equals to 14, you get the radius of semicircle 7 centimeter. So this portion will be 7, 7. And if you look at the figure here, this is quadrant, center, circumference, so radius of quadrant is also 7 centimeter. And once you know this 14, that is the length of a rectangle, this portion is breadth, radius is same for quadrant, 7 centimeter. You know all the dimensions required. Calculate separately. Area of rectangle. It is length into breadth. Length is 14 into 7. 7 into 4 is 28 to 98 centimeters square. Calculate area of semicircle. Area of semicircle is pi r square divided by 2. 22 by 7. Radius is 7 multiplied by 7 divides by 2. 7 cancels 2 11 times, you get 77 centimeters square. After finding semicircle quadrants, area of 2 quadrants, two multiplied by pi r squared by 4, cancel it 2 times. So you have 22 by 7, radius is 7 into 7 divides by 2, cancels 11 times, 77 centimeters square. Once you find the value for all the figure, entire figure separately, question says that calculate the area of shaded region. Look at this. Area of shaded region. Look at the figure carefully. Semicircular part is shaded. Area of semicircle. Some part of rectangle is shaded plus area of rectangle. Which one is unshaded? Quadrant minus area of 2 quadrants. The portion which is not shaded should be subtracted. Area of semicircle is 98 plus area of semicircle is 77. Area of rectangle is 98 minus area of 2 quadrant is 77. Cancel minus plus. 98 centimeters square is the area of shaded portion, this portion. Question number 20b. And this is an important question. Semicircle. Then you have a triangle here. Some part of semicircle is shaded. It is given 5 centimeter, 90, AB, CT. Question says that calculate the area of the shaded region. Area of triangle is given. Look at the calculation part. Area of triangle. which is equal to 35 centimeters squared. What kind of triangle is this? It is a right angle triangle. Half into base into height. 35. Half. Base is taken as AB. Height is given 5 centimeter equals to 35. Cross multiply. 8 into 5 equals to 35 into 2. AB is equals to 35 into 2 divides by 5. 7 times, which is equals to 14 centimeter. Right? Yeah, 14 centimeter. If you look at the figure carefully, base of the triangle is equal to diameter of semicircle. So we write semicircle. Diameter is 14 centimeter. We calculate radius 7 centimeter. And after this we get area now. Area of semicircle. Pi r squared divided by 2. 22 by 7. 7 by 2. 7 cancels 11 times, you get 77 centimeters squared. Once you know the area of semicircle, you can get shaded portion. Area of shaded portion. Area of semicircle. Minus area of triangle, because triangular portion is not shaded. 77 minus 35. You don't have to calculate for triangle, it's already there. Subtract 2, 42 centimeters squared. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You need to go through the formulae. There are more sums. I'll be solving those sums in upcoming videos. Please practice. Go through the formulae. Thank you very much. Stay safe.